If you will look back at that moment, what was that like when you finally said it on national television?
I think it was really the death of Rostov. So, buong-buo ang isip ko na, I've done everything to be a man and I failed. And the reason why I actually transitioned is I had that moment na, paano po ako? Ano ako? Parang eto po ako. Paano ako lalapit sa iyo? Iyak ako na iyak na parang takot na takot kasi ako. This is really very surreal. Last tayo nagkita, medyo nandun pa ako sa past life. Oo.
2006.
2006, yes. And the Mariposa has landed.
Yes! Ano yun? Historic yun on Philippine television.
Yeah.
Because I think nung nangyari yun, first time ever yun,
First time ever.
na celebrity.
Correct. And worldwide,
Worldwide with a butterfly.
With a butterfly. Na hanggang ngayon maraming nagsasabi, fake ba yun? Of course
Stage
not.
ba yun, di ba?
Of course not.
Hindi, di ba?
No, not
Pero
at all.
wala.
How can you even stage that?
Wala.
Ang nangyari na doon kami ni Kiana, doon sa may net area, doon sa may puno. And then nakita namin bumababa yung paro-paro. Ang ganda-ganda.
Habang nag-open up ka.
Habang nag-open up ako. And then that was also during the time na I was asking for a sign if I would even continue. Yeah. And I think that episode remains to be the highest top rating
Most viewed.
Oo, ng Pinoy Big Brother.
Pero ako looking back, parang yun ang pinaka-bongga namin. Yes.
Kasi I don't know kung meron pang naka-experience nun, pero talagang pumunta kami sa hotel, naka-covered.
Yeah.
Hindi namin alam kung nasaan kami. And then dinala kami sa yacht kasi ang opening, very James Bond.
Oh
Very
my
James
gosh,
Bond. Bumababa
oo.
kami. Wala talagang nakakaalam kung sino. That was
Rustom
really-
Padilla pa yon. Ladies and
Oo,
gentlemen,
nabuhan.
our housemate, Rustom Padilla.
Yeah, the prodigal son.
The prodigal son. Paano ka napayes nung time na yun? Na mag-Big Brother?
Galing na ako na Amerika noon eh.
Nag-quit ka na nun sa showbiz?
Yeah, parang ganon, papunta na doon. Pero ang thinking ko noon, mag-aaral ako. So I went to school. I took up film, TV, and digital entertainment. But while I was studying and all, doon ko na rin ina-explore yung
Who you really are?
correct. Like just to be me, yung wala ka nang itatago. It's all about the confusion at that time. Takot ako maging gay because I don't wanna be a screaming and you know what I mean?
At saka from the Padilla clan,
Hindi pwede.
action star, heartthrob, matinee idol.
So it was really kind of very scary. So I started going out and then doon ako nakakita ng mga gay men in all forms and sizes. And then doon ako hindi natakot. Nag-umpisang hindi na matakot na, okay, I can still be me, yung Rostom, and be gay.
And express myself.
Correct,
who I really
as a gay
am.
man. Oo. So nung dumating ako dito sa Manila ng 2005, nagkaroon ng chance sa Pinoy Big Brother, I thought it was the perfect venue for me. Na kung mag-out ako, parang I don't wanna be interviewed, I don't wanna be investigated upon, I just wanna say what di ba? And then parang si Kiana was just really parang representative of who I wanna talk to. And then she was being a friend at that time. So parang yun ay para sa lahat ng kaibigan ko. I don't wanna explain anymore.
Ang PBB, ang tagline is, magpakatotoo.
Oo.
If you will look back at that moment, what was that like when you finally said it on national television?
I think it was really the death of Rostov. You know what I mean? Parang tinanggal ko lahat yon. In fact, after nung gabing yon, pumapasok na yung, did I do the right thing? Is this really me? Is this...
Grabe yung mental health, no? Nung time na yun.
Sobra. And I had no support. I mean, I haven't really talked to my family. I haven't really talked to anyone.
Sabay-sabay yun ang buong Pilipinas, pati family mo nalaman.
Yeah. Except kay Carmina.
Alam na niya nung time na yun.
Nag-usap
Yung
kami.
ex-wife
I
mo.
reached out before ako pumasok. Kasi ayoko siyang ma-shock dun sa sasabihin ko. Because I felt she was the most directly affected And I don't want her to have that wrong notion or wrong idea na merong mga tinago or something. So kung ano man yun.
So si Carmina lang ang nakakaalam nung time na yun kung sino ka talaga bago malaman ng buong Pilipinas at ng pamilya mo.
Oo.
Wala pang ang social media. Can you imagine kung may social media nun?
Loka-loka na ako ngayon.
Sabog na sabog yun. Sa lahat ng platform, TikTok, lahat.
Oo,
Diba?
remember, meron nga noon, may kudeta. Hindi nagtagumpay ang kudeta kasi nakatutok. Pati daw si GMA nakatutok sa Pinoy Big Brother.
Oo nga. At saka alam mo bang ilang beses sumugod si Robin Padilla sa PBB at that time?
Oo, until finally nakapasok siya. Diba?
Yes.
Kasi nga hindi niya alam ang mga pangyayari. Wala silang idea what I'm actually doing dun sa loob. Wala siyang idea.
Paano ko dumating dun sa point na mag-voluntary exit ako?
That was the hardest. Kasi syempre, parang I don't wanna disappoint also yung mga tao na naniniwala. And I think I disappointed a lot. Naramdaman ko yon. But, ang bottom line ko kasi noon is, I don't wanna taint it. Kung paano ko matalo, dinalungkot pa ako. Sa'yo na ng pakiramdam ko, di ba?
I disappointed a lot of people. Pero kung babalikan ko yung moment na yun, it was the only time you didn't disappoint yourself.
Oh yeah, in the end at that time is wala na akong iniisip kung hindi yung kapakanan ko na kasi for the longest time I'm suffering from that confusion. It didn't only affected my relationship but most importantly my relationship to my God na I don't know how to connect anymore.
Nung bata ba may inkling na bibigandang hari ka talaga?
Kasi galing nga kami sa machismo na pamilya.
Very masculine.
Ang papa ko is a playboy. So, I mean, bordering on homophobic, you just can't. So, ako noon, nagkaroon sa aking mali siya ang gay, salitang gay o bakla, at a very young age. From that day on, tinanggal ko sa utak ko, na-struggle na, I can be anything but not that, kung hindi papatayin ako ng tatay ko. So, merong hindi inkling pero hindi ko naiintindahan what's actually being gay. Diba? And even yung natichismis na ako, parang how can I even be gay? Wala naman akong relationship sa kahit kaninong lalaki at that time.
Paano mo i-describe yung relationship mo with your father growing up?
Mataas kasi ang namin sa papa ko eh. Papa ko is a politician, is a labor leader. He's a really strong man. In fact, I wanted to be him. He's a self-made man. So I wanna be a lawyer at that time. I wanna follow his footsteps. Although kami kasi talagang papa ko was never affectionate, so hindi kami sweet sa isa't isa. But I've always been a good student and he's a rewarder of good. So ang relationship namin is always, I would go to him, I have high grades, he'll be happy, he'll ask me what I want, mga ganyan. So parang I'm always there to please him through my accomplishments in school.
You earned
work
his
hard.
love.
Correct.
May
And
ganun.
acceptance and maybe, yeah.
Pero what's your relationship like with your mom growing up?
Ang mama ko naman, because she's always at home, so ako'y madaling utusan. I mean, at a very young age. Kasi magkasunod kami ni Robin. Ako yung nag-enroll dun sa dalawang mas bata sa akin when I was just really grade 5. And then grade 6, I'm very independent enough to actually enroll myself. Ako'y namamalengke para sa pamilya and I love doing it. So ganun naman yung relationship ko ganun pa rin. Yung parang I do stuff para matuwa sila sa akin, para makuha ko yung
Love
love.
and
Oo.
appreciation.
Correct.
Kailan mo naramdaman that there was something different in you among your siblings na lalaki?
When Rustom's marriage crumbled.
With Carmina?
Yeah. That was the time.
So nung bata,
Kung meron man, I never entertained it because it's never a choice. It can never be a choice. Hindi ako handang itakwil ng magulang ko, no? So,
may fear.
Of course. At saka may fear of God also. Siyempre, I grew up as a very religious person. At 13 years old, I was Bible studying. At 15, I was preaching. Yes. So at 20, I'm actually speaking on stage, talking about the Bible and my faith. Yeah. So I'm very, very religious. So it was never an option for me. Never.
Paano ka napapasok sa showbiz?
Kasi
Sino nauna? Si Robin?
si Robin. Kasi I was still studying then and then I was finishing college. And then when I graduated college,
He graduated economics.
correct, AB
Galing.
Economics, cum laude.
Oh, galing.
Yeah. I love studying. I love being in school. Yan ang ano ko. Kasi yan ang nakuha ko sa tatay ko. Sabi niya, mag-aral ka mabuti kasi hindi ka magugutom. So every time na-insecure ako na, oh my God, what is my future like? Pag-aaral ako.
Achiever ka pala sa school and sa...
Oo. Kasi doon ko nakukuha yung validation.
So, nauna si Robin mag-showbiz. Kailan ka pumasok? Kasi graduate ka.
Yeah.
Pwede kang mag-ibang
Correct.
landas.
Correct. In
Paano?
fact, dapat ako noon, mag-aabogado ako.
Wow.
Kaya lang my dad was murdered in the 1988 elections. So that kind na-disillusion ako. Karoon ako ng too much insecurity na now who do I talk to? Kanino ako hihingi ng advice? Diba? So, nagtrabaho ako right after that. And then I started modeling. Remember, ano pa ako? Faces for Men. Habang nagtatrabaho sa bangko, and then nagtrabaho ako sa Philippine Airlines. Una sa ground, and then became a cabin crew while modeling. And then doon na yung, through modeling, parang nakita ko ni Boss Vic. Pero of course, alam na ni Boss Vic na
Kapatid.
ko si Robin. And at that time, nagpipeak si Robin. So, nagpunta ako ng Viva, nakita ako ni Boss Vic. Sabi, pwede ka mag-artista. Gusto mo mag-artista ka? Ganyan. Offer ng kontrata, ganyan. And sabi ko, okay. Ang sweldo ko sa bangko, eto lang. Di ba, nandun ka. Wala talaga akong plano. Ang iniisip ko lang, okay, now I can buy my car. Yung kikitain ko in 10 years, pwede kong kitain in 1 year. So, why not? Diba? So,
Pero nung nilaunch ka as action star or heartthrob matinee idol?
Actually a dramatic actor. Ang mga partner namin si Dina Bonnevie, Alice Dixon. So, more on the dramatic actor genre. Pero parang naging nasa matinee idol because tinanggap kami nung plus the fact na karoon ng relationship kay Carmina, which is so parang ang naging audience ko was the matured and the high schoolers.
Ibang-iba kay Robin.
Robin was being sold then or being parang marketed then as the bad boy of Philippine movies, and then I was the good boy. Oo, complete contrast.
Yes. So you work with Carmina sa movie na
Hindi magbabago.
yun yung first movie nyo.
Yeah.
And then, out of all the showbiz leading ladies, bakit siya yung nagustuhan mo at that time?
Well, si Rostom at that time. Siguro mahilig talaga sa sweet and petite and mestiza. Yan yung type ni Rostom nung araw.
How old were you when you got married?
26?
So you were at the right age, 26 ka na when you proposed.
Chronologically, but psychologically, maybe not.
You thought you were ready at that
I
time.
thought I was ready.
At 26 years old, bakit nag-propose si Rostom?
I think Carmina and Rostom were very much in love with each other at that time. Hindi na sila naghihiwalay. They always together. They're always, you know what I mean? So, siguro kung hindi sila mga artista, or siguro kung walang confusion or something, it could have worked.
What was that like being married kung babalikan mo? Confused ka na ba noon when you got married?
Hindi pa.
so ano
Pero
pa?
very, very insecure si Rostom. Very seloso.
Possessive.
Sobrang possessive. Malaki yung problema ni Rostom at that time as far as yung confidence and na dapat hindi. Now looking back, sabi ko, why? Kaya nag-out siguro in the end kasi yun ang naging epekto sa kanya. Yung parang there was no reason to be insecure at all. I mean, educated, at meron naman.
Gwapo, matalino, decente.
Yeah. Religyoso. Yung wala. And there's nothing to be insecure about.
Pero the insecurity was rooted in...
Doon sa, siguro yung sa traumatic experience, at the back of his head, there's this na, ganito ka. So, na hindi na-resolve, hindi na pag-usapan, hindi siya kinausap. So, parang lahat yun
Hindi
nasa
na-heal.
dibdib. Hindi na-heal.
So, di ba, if you do not heal, you will bleed on the people who didn't hurt you.
Exactly, yes.
So, while you were married, 3 years, 4 years yung marriage na?
5 years together.
5 years together and you were married for 3 years. Ano ang naging reason ng breakdown ng marriage?
Yung hindi na nagkakaintindihan eh. Lumabas na yung, of course, parehong hindi ready. 'Di ba? Yung, I still want this. I still, of course, 'di ba? Yung lumabas na yung, what could have been. Masyadong maaga. Lumabas na yon. Mga what could have been na hindi na pag-usapan before even plunging into that really serious decision.
Oo, kasi ang marriage, dun mo marirealize, you can be emotionally ready, but mentally
'Di ba? Of course, you know.
not ready.
Oo.
Kaya pala yan, talagang dapat synchronize.
Yes.
Kasi yung emotions nagsusumigaw yan na, you
Yeah,
and me
pwede.
against the world,
Oo,
we love
pwede.
each other, magsama na
The more
tayo.
the more passion, the better.
Oo, tapos pag nagsama na, reality sets in, ito na ang buhay mag-asawa, bumababa na yung honeymoon stage, this
Yeah.
is who you really are,
Correct.
this is who I am,
Yeah.
tapos inner childhood pain niya,
Inner childhood
pain mo,
Oo.
magsasama, magwo-work ba to?
Correct. And then plus your individual, 'di ba? Goals and wants and dreams. Paano yan magsasama? 'Di ba?
Yes. Pag married, you're one.
You're one.
Yes.
So, ang hirap.
Ang hirap. And then, meron ka pang sariling internal
Oh, correct. Na hindi ka nga
pinagdadaanan.
resolve.
Yes.
Oo. And looking back, I've said it to my friend. I was like, I wonder kung diniscuss ni Rostom kay Carmina yung pinagdadaanan niya at that time.
Parang Caitlyn Jenner kay Kris Jenner.
Pero Caitlyn kasi is gay pa lang yun. Hindi ko pa nakikita yung babae nun. Hindi ko pa to nakikita.
Ay, journey talaga yung self-discovery para sa
Yeah. Actually,
Journey.
nakita ko na lang to after I came out as a gay man sa Pinoy Big Brother, and then I started living as a gay man for 3 years. And that's when I realized, wait. I think I'm not gay. I'm not happy being gay. There's something else.
that will make me happy.
Oh,
Na magpapakatotoo ako.
Na may ngayon nakikita ko na parang, I don't wanna be with a gay man. I wanna be with a man. And then when I see my silhouette with a partner, I don't see two men. I see a man and a woman. So I don't consider myself gay. I'm just a woman.
You identify with that.
Correct. Because
Kasi-
si Caitlyn is a lesbian trans woman.
So ganun
King
pala yun.
is a lesbian trans woman.
Si Angie King.
Correct.
Kasi sabi nga, dun sa research, while I was reading it, milestone sa'yo nung nakuha mo yung driver's license mo.
Correct. And my court order. My court order came in 2016, changing my name and changing my gender. Since that time on, parang lahat ng legal papers ko is Binibini Gandang Hari and as a female. Everything, lahat yan.
Kasi 2016 is the birth of...
Binibini Gandang Hari. Oh.
Kailan lumabas yung name na yon? Bakit Bibi Gandang Hari?
I came across sa pangalang Miss Gandahari, Miss UST siya. So, nabanggit sa akin, sabi ko, wow, Gandang Hari. Gandahari siya, pero parang nung dating sa akin, Gandang Hari. So sabi ko, wow, that's a beautiful name. I think I like it. I mean, you know what I mean? And then, so papunta ako ng New York kasi doon ako magta-transition. Ang laki na problema ko. Sabi ko, paano ngayon ako magpapakilala bilang Gandang Hari? Ang hirap-hirap na matandaan. And then, that's when I thought, I think I needed a first name. And then I was like, now, if I have a parang daughter, I would name her Binibini. Diba? Yun yung nasa isip ko. Parang gandang pangalan. And then, BB for short. So, ang bilis magpakilala. True enough, pagdating ko sa States, it's like, sa New York, it's like, what's your name? BB. So, BB. So, yeah. So,
Di ba kung iisipin mo, after you finally came out, inadmit mo na kung sino ka, iisipin mo, finally, makakahinga ka na. But there's still a journey and there's still different challenges na haharapin
yeah.
after mo magpakatotoo, di ba?
Oo. It just became more difficult. You know, it's the physical transition is the hardest. The psychological transition is the hardest. The social transition is the hardest. And this is now between me and my God. And the most important for me is like to have my resolve with my God. Yung parang I just can't continue living na parang, this is just me. And then, no. God was the most important thing at that time. Yung paano ako haharap ngayon sa Diyos bilang ako.
May ganong conversation ka with Him?
Oh yeah. Yeah, and the reason why I actually transitioned is I had that moment na, paano po ako? Ano ako? Parang eto po ako. Paano ako lalapit sa'yo? Iyak ako ng iyak na parang, takot na takot kasi ako. Hindi ko na talaga maintindihan. Why? Bakit ganito? Bakit may taong ganito?
Paano mo na-handle yung public opinion, public judgment, and yung mga sinasabi ng tao?
Now that I can pray to my God as who I am, as a woman as I am, then it doesn't really matter what people think about me.
Did you have a conversation with your mother?
Mahaba. Meron pa akong isang conversation sa mama ko noon na it's faith-based. Kasi pareho kaming Jehovah's Witness. So sabi ko, ma, ito yan. Ganyan. Nakikinig naman siya. Pero pagkatapos parang makakalimutan niya yon. But one thing with my mom is she never showed me kung meron man siyang against it. Wala. Ang tanging namin is if she would call me with my dead name, parang, sino yan ba? Sino? Gumagana.
Minsan natatawag pa rin na
Natatawag
Rusto.
niya ako noon. So parang ako noon, hindi kita lilingunin.
Paano yun sa brothers? Kanino ka pinaka nahirapan?
Si Robin. Kay Robin lang pinakamahirap. Oo, siya yung pinaka-vocal. Si Robin yung talagang, diba sa time ayaw niya ako makita.
Kasi nakita ko yung mga photos nyo pag nagta-travel kayo. Ang saya, ang ganda tignan.
Yeah.
Ang ganda kapag yung family, nagkakaisa sila,
Yeah,
nagmamahalan, di ba?
And it transcends. It transcends yung kung ano ka bilang tao. Basta magkakapatid lang kayo. At saka walang, okay, babae ka, di babae ka. Then I'll treat you as a woman.
Kailan dumating yung point na yun kay Robin?
Kay mama, through mama yan. So, dumating na sa point na parang bigla na lang kami nag-usap. Yung, alam mo yun?
Gano'n na magkakapatid eh.
Gano'n naman yung magkakapatid.
Bigla magkakasundo na lang.
Bigla magkakasundo na lang. Tapos tingin niya sa'yo babae. Tapos yun na yun.
Tawag niya sa'yo, Bibi?
Oo.
Wow.
Oo. Walang gatul yun, ha? Tsaka, hindi naman pwedeng hindi.
Pag tinatawag ka na niya, Bibi, gano'n na?
Oo.
Yun ang pinakamasarap na feeling na pag tinanggap ka na ng pamilya mo ng buong buo.
Correct. Kasi doon nanggagaling yung confidence mo na bilang tao. Yung parang, now I can talk to people. Now I can be just myself with other people. Kasi nandun nanggagaling yung confidence mo. Totoo pala yun. Noon, ang mama ko, accepted niya, pero naku, no way pag-uusapan ng mga love life. Hindi pwede. Yung parang, hanggang dyan na lang yan. Hindi tayo pwedeng umabot sa love life. Diba? Pero feeling ko sa lahat ng kapatid ko, ganon. Yung kasi di ba lahat sila married, di ba? But no one would even ask yung, how's your
Love life.
Oo, yung are you happy? Are you dating? Walang ganon, di aabot sa ganon.
So yung conversation na yan sa friends lang, pang friends.
Correct.
Yan ang mga conversation.
Na dinala ko na matagal yon. Parang feeling nagkakaroon ako ng konting liwanag kasi nung lumipad kami ng Taiwan, and it came really as a surprise for me kasi nando kami sa airport, sinuloko ni Robin si Mama. Ma, sabi niya, alam mo ba kung bakit tayo pupunta sa Taiwan? Magpapakasal si Bibi doon sa Inche. Ay, sorry, sa Chinese.
Sinabi ni Robin?
Oo. So, at the back of my head, uy, nandun na siya sa, meron
Open na
gano'n.
siya.
Oo, naiisip niya yun. So, sabi ko, sige, hindi ko na kukontrahin yan.
So ang galing, no? Slowly
Yeah.
nag-open.
Oo.
Eh di, pag ganito, yung sa journey mo, unti-unti habang nag-heal ka, nag-heal na rin yung family.
Oh, yeah. And ngayon nangyayari lahat yan. And I really thank the Lord kasi pinagpipray ko talaga yan. Kasi yan yung pinakamabigat na dalhin. Please, yung parang bigyan ako ng resolution as far as the family is concerned. Because I can't continue. I felt like even my relationships are parang naaapektuhan hanggat hindi naaayos yung relationship ko sa pamilya.
So if Bibi were to talk to Rustum before magpaalam si Rustum, ano yung sasabihin mo kay Rustum as Bibi?
Let me handle this. I think you can't, hindi mo ma-handle. I think you are too scared and you are just too insecure. Bibi is self-assured. Rostam is not.
Kaya nag-take over na si Bibi.
Kaya nag-take over na si Bibi.
If Bibi were to talk to your ex-wife Carmina naman, anong sasabihin ni Bibi?
I'm really happy for her. her happiness, her family, is an answered prayer. And I hope, because this is how I feel, and I hope she feels the same, I think she was the best person for me. For me to be able to realize what I have to realize.
So what's the biggest lesson you've learned now in your life as Bibi?
You have to be very honest with yourself. No? Meron ka talagang connection dapat sa sarili mo. And then pangalawa is your connection with God. Huwag mong pababayaan yon kasi when all others fail, at yun ang naranasan ko, when there's no one to talk to, there is always God who's willing to help and to listen, and seeing you with all your weaknesses and imperfections, not actually expecting any perfection from you, but just really asking for mercy. I mean, at yun yata yung biggest lesson ko. I learned to ask for mercy. Na this may not be ideal to you, but I think you can still have a plan for me.
Ang interesting na kausapin ko siya ngayon at this chapter of your life after everything that you have been through.
Plus, kasi nakita mo lahat, no? Yung parang yung
Oh my
maganda
gosh,
doon.
hindi mo pa sister-in-law si Mariel nung PBB!
Wala pa.
Magiging sister-in-law mo pala!
No inkling at all. No
Oh my
inkling
gosh,
at
magiging
all.
sister-in-law mo
Yeah,
pala
yeah,
ang host
yeah.
ng PBB nung time na
Correct.
yon.
Siya pa yung nag-welcome sa paglabas ko at I can remember.
Oh my gosh, tapos ngayon family na
Ngayon,
kayo.
family na siya.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Ang pitit mo, grabe.
Ako pitit, parang
Sobrang
yung hiya ako sa
pitit.
kapayatan mo.
Parang mas pitit si Bibi kaysa kay Rustom.
Oh naman. Ang
Action
braso
star,
ni
eh.
Rostong doon, parang hika
Ngayon
ako
talagang as a pitit ka talaga.
ngayon.